So is LO Comp about to change? Can you believe that? Because the CFPB is sending LO Comp and servicing rules to the OMB, and that would be the Office of Management and Budget, and they're doing it for review. So what does this mean? Probably nothing, but there are a few statements that I find interesting. First, I come at this with a simple understanding that Trump likes to pull back any type of regulation. That's why when I read on the LO Comp rule that the CFPB referred to possible rescissions, sparking confusion about whether the entire rule might be sunset. Wouldn't that be something? Don't expect it, but it's being discussed right now.
Rescind the original rule or leave no rule in place. Such a move could significantly disrupt our industry. Selden pointed out that the Dodd-Frank Act loan originator compensation provisions, if adopted, could be interpreted to prohibit upfront points, fees, and charges, including affiliate settlement service fees on lender-paid mortgage transactions. A key question is whether a proposed rescission by the CFPB would revert back to federal courts.
So LO Comp, possible changes to come, but no major changes. If changes, probably a little more flexibility for mortgage companies and loan officers. Now, this is good for our banking operations, but it could be a game changer for brokerages, which, by the way, you should come talk with us about our team within the Loan Factory. I mean, we have pricing and technology that's totally unparalleled in the industry with the fastest growing mortgage brokerage in the country. Fill out the information down below and let's have a discreet conversation about this because you won't believe what we're doing.
So last Friday, the May jobs report came back in and the economy added 139,000 jobs. The markets rallied. Trump asked Powell to do something about rates and Powell went to the White House and said, no. What fight would you rather see? Trump versus Powell or Trump versus Musk? And who do you think would win?
Good question. And don't just say Musk because he's younger, because remember, he's all hopped up on ketamine.
Whatever unusual images we have of Elon's enthusiastic time in Washington, D.C., those images will now be repurposed and given a slightly different meaning and context, almost comically so, inside edition, Do Your Worst.
Musk's departure comes as a jaw-dropping New York Times report claims he was taking a cocktail of drugs while on the campaign trail. According to the Times expose, Musk's erratic behavior, including waving a chainsaw around and that notorious Nazi-like stiff arm, can be attributed to a daily mix of ketamine, ecstasy, psychedelic mushrooms, and Adderall. They claim he traveled with a daily medication box that holds 20 pills.
Moving on to the wild and wonderful topic of insurance. Now, I just spoke with a loan officer in Des Moines, Iowa, and he said insurance is becoming a problem out there. Listen, guys, if Iowa is getting pounded with insurance hike, I'm pretty sure your state is screwed. But here we go. The state at the heart of the issue that's created the national insurance epidemic. My beloved state of California.
Los Angeles County fire victims sue AAA and USAA alleging insurance fraud. Never mind the bonehead policies from the California Insurance Commissioner or the recorded shakedown from your State Farm. Now, this is important for you because it affects you and your clients. The twin lawsuits filed Wednesday in Los Angeles County Superior Court allege that USAA, a Texas-based insurer that serves the military community, and two insurers affiliated with AAA for years, underestimated the replacement cost of homes, lulling policyholders into buying inadequate coverage.
Inadequate coverage. Oh yeah, we've been covering this for about the last 6 months. Courtesy of the past 4-year inflation bubble, virtually every home in the country is underinsured. See, it goes like this. You're insured at a replacement cost of X. Then inflation hits for 4 years and goes out of control. And now replacement cost is 2X. Yet you're still at X. That's the problem. So what you should all be doing is reaching out to your database. It's a great topic, insurance, and the problems with being underinsured. You really want to juice this thing up? Involve your favorite insurance agent. Let them answer all the hard questions. You don't know them anyways. Who knows? You might make an ally and get referrals from that insurance agent. Not to mention you're going to get some from your database. I hope this helps. Hey, listen, we always need a little inspiration, and I gotta tell you, every time I talk to the marketing animals, Carl White, Frank Gray, I get something out of it that helps my business. And yeah, I'm writing loans right now, and I talk with those guys all the time. They're full of great ideas and they're full of inspiration. Just reach out to them. Go check out Frank's Breakfast Club. Just click the banner right over there or down below and sign up for it.